Without a doubt, the universe encompasses virtually everything around us, what we can perceive, observe, touch, and even what our minds have never imagined, but which is probably out there waiting to be discovered, or perhaps waiting to discover us. The idea that humans are alone in the universe is practically impossible, as over many years, thousands of pieces of evidence have come to light, completely discarding this notion. Do you believe in the existence of extraterrestrials, in life on other planets, or the possibility that something immensely titanic is currently floating in space, stalking us? Get ready to learn about perhaps one of the clearest pieces of evidence of life on other planets, or maybe the existence of something that surpasses our imagination, looking at our planet like a tiny insect, waiting for the moment to make it disappear completely, and with it, all traces of our civilization. The following event became known on various internet platforms. This will undoubtedly leave you speechless, as in addition to being a topic without any concrete explanation, it alarmed millions of people who immediately began to propose countless theories about the strange image we're about to see. We must emphasize that the origin of this chilling image is from a Google server, which incorporates a tool for exploring the skies, viewing stars, constellations, and even galaxies. This server comes from the same origins as Google, Google Maps, and Google Street View, which at some point were involved in similar scandals. Some people had noticed that on these servers, certain parts of the maps and views offered were completely censored, or at least ended up being hidden when the impact they had on millions of users who noticed these images became apparent. Google Sky was no exception, as it didn't take long for thousands of people to notice something strange when using this tool and navigating near the constellation Virgo. As you can see, just like on similar platforms, they realized that a solid image had been placed, trying to hide what was in that location. Immediately, some experts in handling this tool were able to find the real image of those coordinates, obtaining a shocking result. Astronomers came forward stating that it was just an ordinary celestial formation called the Colossal Red Dragon, and that there was nothing to worry about. Unfortunately, fear and terror had already spread to a large part of the planet's inhabitants, who claimed that it could be a colossal creature roaming outer space. Due to science fiction movies and stories, they quickly dubbed it the World Devourer. According to millions of people who noticed this fact, they mentioned that without a doubt, if all this were just a simple formation of stars and galaxies, there would be no reason to want to hide it from the entire world. What could you imagine was captured in this strange image? Perhaps it's time for all of us to start looking up at the sky, as something could be happening right before our eyes without us realizing it. The universe holds secrets that are gradually coming to light, and this could be one of the most impactful so far. The question that remains in the air is, are we prepared to face the truth hidden in the depths of space? Meanwhile, we will continue to observe the night sky, wondering if one day we will have concrete answers to these intriguing questions. The search for extraterrestrial life and unexplained phenomena in the cosmos continues, and each discovery brings us one step closer to understanding our place in this vast universe.